Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Plant Addict channel. Normally I don't like to talk over my videos, but unfortunately in this one I feel like I have to. I had originally planned on doing a bit of an experiment comparing potting mixes from my local Home Depot, but unfortunately nature had other plans for us. So throughout this video I'll be popping in and out to explain some things and tell you why you should check your vegetables daily or twice daily. Now I'll be doing this test again with some adjustments, but let me give you the rundown of what my plan was. I bought 2 pepper plants from Home Depot, and I tried to find 2 that were almost identical in color, size, amount of leaves, etc. At the beginning there you saw me yanking off all the flowers because I didn't want them to be putting on jalapenos when they were this small. So I wanted them to get nice and big before they started making jalapenos. So it was here at this point that I was going to make a comparison of the 2 plants after 1 week. As you can see, the plant on the right, the plant with Vigoro soil, is not as green as the plant on the left, and it has far less vegetation added to it. I thought, wow, after only 1 week you can see the difference. This is amazing. Sadly, as you will see in a second, turns out the soil was not the problem. And as you can see here, the plant on the right has been completely decimated and chewed to nothing. And there's a hornworm on the plant to the left right there. I don't know what he's doing, sleeping maybe, playing dead. trying not to have me notice him. But there he is. I believe he ate the whole plant on the right, was still hungry, and moved on to the plant to the left. That's my opinion. But he can't stay, so I make sure to cut him off and squish him. I don't like to kill things, but he deserved it. Another side note here is if you can see those brown things sitting on the leaves, they look like tiny grenades. Those are the poops of that worm. So if you don't see a worm but you happen to see those grenades, look really hard because something could be eating your plant. And it's at this point where I saw this plant coming back and I thought, you know what, maybe I'll just make a video of growing 2 jalapenos. Won't be comparing the soil because obviously it's not fair. But at least I can show a video of the progress of jalapeno plants. But once again, nature laughed in my face. So here's the plant on the left that was doing so well. It has actually 2 horned worms on it this time. The one on the right is actually starting to come back and do okay, but now the left one has been mostly destroyed. I think the plants will do okay once I get these guys off, but it's not going to be as healthy as it originally would have been. So, if you guys have any suggestions about what to do about these guys, I'd love to hear it in the comments. Until next time, we'll see ya.